What's up everybody, it's your boy Pedro here, or you can call me Pete. It's been a long time since I made a YouTube video. I missed you all, so here I am. I'm about to make a new reaction video, so I'm gonna watch Diet Coke and Mentos Explosion by Angry Grandpa. I don't think I've ever seen one of his videos before. I'm fully aware that he passed away, so I'm glad. I hope he's in a better place, as calm. So let's get on with it. Here we go. Where is it? Here we go.
Okay, Dad. The idea behind this is you're gonna have to, if they say it's impossible, to hover your face over the bottle and dump a handful of Mentos in at the same time.
That's ridiculous.
There's something about muscle spasms or something. You can't do it. It's impossible.
That's bullshit.
You can't do it.
That can be done.
Well, you have to prove it.
It can be done, goddammit.
Well, Grandpa is doing the Mentos Hover Challenge.
The what? The hover.
It's called the Mentos Hover Challenge. You can't do it. It's impossible.
What I gotta do?
All right, here you go, Dad. Now listen to me. You gotta. All right, hover your
He's
face.
so smelling it.
You gotta put your face over the bottle.
You gotta put my face over the bottle.
Over the bottle.
Can I piss my cigarette first?
Put your face over the bottle. Like that. And meanwhile, you hold it.
I gotta hold it like this?
Yes, it's. I guess.
Now what, Mike? Just tell me.
Hover your face. Put that handful of Mentos in the cup.
Oh.
I guess you couldn't do it, could you?
He got some in his eyes.
God damn. What?
Oh my god.
Son of a bitch.
He's taking off his shirt off. He just threw his shit at Michael?
Get that goddamn corky out of my goddamn yard. Mentos in the goddamn brain.
I put a little bit of Mentos in your Diet Coke. So what?
You put Mentos in my goddamn Diet Coke, you son of a bitch.
Oh my god. Oh my god, what is he doing?
Are you this mad for real?
Goddamn right. You got a
Oh my
goddamn nose full of
god.
Mentos and Coke.
What's he gonna do now? Oh my god!
How you like it now again? What?
I ain't goddamn playing. Keep that right goddamn now. Get out of my goddamn mouth.
What you got to
Stop! I'm sorry.
What did he just
Goddamn,
throw?
get the fuck out my yard.
I'm sorry.
Don't you, or you ever come the fuck back over here.
Hey, that's not fair.
Don't do it again, bitch. You'll end up wearing it.
Just
Oh
a little
my
bit of
god.
Mentos.
It was just, for fun.
Okay, what's he doing?
What are we doing? Why am I...
Oh my god, what is he doing?
What is happening?
He's gonna get himself run over?
Wrong window, Bridget.
Look at him, he's doing like
What are
this.
you doing?
Come on, get out, goddamn. Come on, you goddamn ass.
Look at it.
Get out of here.
He's doing like that.
Go,
Look at him.
Bridget, go!
Oh my god. Damn, Michael got him good.
Get started on a straighter smile today.
Alright guys, that was it for today. I hope I can make another video pretty soon. So, peace out.